Yo, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. The playlist, yeah, wait, I can send it. It's copyright free because YouTube does not allow the normal music. Unfortunate. Alright, so instead the regular trading hours, the buy side here we had noted yesterday, still open. Sell side down here as well. We have the regular trading hour sell side down here. This is already taken inside the electronic trading hours. And here we do have inside the Asia session equal lows. So these both sides have my interest, and I'm waiting for what it wants first. Yo, good morning, Jason. I woke up super late today, so I might be a little bit tired still. My sleep schedule is kind of fucked. Alright, so I'll put in my indicator. Alright, so we do have the first presentation here from yesterday. Yeah, that's correct. No, from the day before yesterday. Yesterday was this smaller one here. It's still like both sides in here, the buy side from the regular trading hours and the sell side here from the regular trading hours. And we do have CPI tomorrow. Oh yeah, for you it's evening. Oh, it's already nighttime for you, right? Almost evening, it's evening. I think from Cyprus you're only 5 hours away. So it should be 21:30. Here we have the pre-market session high. So I'm gonna wait for it either runs the sell side first and then goes into the buy side, or the buy side first and then runs into the sell side. And yeah, tomorrow we have CPI 8:30. I like the idea of running the buy side first, especially the regular trading hour high, and then run into the sell side down here below the open range gap. Gonna wait for the first presentation here. The ideal setup would be trading into the highs here towards 10:30 on the first hour, and then trade lower into the sell side, or trades into the sell side first towards 10:30 and then trades into the buy side. Do we have news today? I thought we only had 8:30. No, it says 8:30 for me. 8:30 unemployment claims and nothing after that. I'm looking at medium impact and high impact only. Oh, you're looking at the yellow, the low impact news. I'm not looking at that. I'm not looking at low impact. But yeah, I have to wait for whatever liquidity pool it wants to run. Right now we are ranging right at the first presentation from the day before yesterday, and just below the buy side liquidity and just above the sell side liquidity. So right in the middle. So I'm not waiting for the news, I'm waiting for price to run one of those liquidity pools. Why would you say the best execution would be at 950? It would make sense if we range now, but if you don't get any of those liquidity pools, I'm not entering. Thanks, man. I wish I could play other music, better music. I'm more listening to like hard techno and stuff privately, but because of YouTube, it does not allow that. I would have to stream on Twitch, but I don't want to stream on Twitch. On YouTube, you are not allowed to play copyright music. I mean, you are, but then you get strikes and everything, especially when you do it in live streams. In videos, it's fine. You can just earn money on that, but in live streams, they will ban your live streams. So it's kind of low-key techno, but yeah, I like it too. Still no first presentation, so we are waiting here. Damn, I'm tired. Back and forth so far. I mean, it's the day before CPI. And it's also ranging around that midnight opening price. So I would not look for a buy or sell here at this point. But like I said in the beginning of the stream, I like the buy side first and then the sell side. So we have this busy here on the 15 seconds. I want to see if it can reach from here into the buy side. I mean, does it look bullish for you only for the buy side or more than that? Because I am only looking for the buy side here and the regular trading hour buy side. And on the daily chart, we're still ranging. Yeah, I'm also waiting for confirmation. And we still do not have a first presentation. If it reaches below the sell-side liquidity and continues lower, I'm probably not gonna engage in that. I mean, look at this range from yesterday. We are still inside that. $9.45. I mean, you think, you don't know, right? I think as well, like a lot of stuff. Okay, we might have the first presentation up here, 9:42. All right, so it might go for the sell side first, and then I'm only interested in confirmation to trade then into the buy sides. If it continues lower, then I'm not engaging for the AM session. I mean, from here to here, it's 60 handles. If there's something on the 5 for 1 second. So let's see. I'm gonna study on the 1 seconds now. If it can reach up into the midnight opening price, that is also a CB on the 15 seconds, and then see how price is going to behave. All right, so it did not give me the entry here. Similar to the 1 seconds here, this one. With the breaker. I'm fine. And entering here on the 15 with a mini would be too much. See on the regular trading hours. Okay, so I did trade the sell side here on the electronic trading hours. I'm watching how it behaves now. If we can reach above the 50% of the opening range gap again. I still like this high compared to this one here. If it reaches back into this range in here, then I'm gonna wait for tomorrow CPI. Yo. Hi, Alexa. All right, so the sell side on the regular trading hours is reached. And if it does not give me the bullish structure I want, then I'm gonna sit on my hands. The sell side down here, but I would rather wait. You did short at 9.14. On this one, somewhere here, 9.29. Yeah, I mean this sell side here, if you see this as a market maker sell model, at 9.30 it completes it. That's kind of fine. We short in the first fair value gap. I mean, the first fair value gap is up here, so 9.42. So yeah, for now, it's still not giving me the setup. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. here and 10 minutes after 10 a.m. if it wants to reverse into the buy sides. 9:46. You mean 9:45? The smaller fair value gap here? Yeah, but I don't want to sell this once we already met the sales at liquidity, right? So yeah, it could still continue lower into the sell side down here. But my initial idea still is the regular trading hour highs. So I either wait for that, and if it gives me the setup, I take it, or I wait for tomorrow the CPI news. So I'm not in a hurry here to get this sell here once we already move towards the sales liquidity pool. And also here the regular trading hour sell side. The Asia lows. These ones. Oh yeah. I did mean these and not the regular trading hour sell side. I had this in my head. This one. Instead of this one. Yes, sir. We need the balance price range here of 15 seconds. Kinda good. So these equal lows are weighted. the one from the PM session compared to these are still relatively equal. Yeah, it's nice, Nasky, that you told me that's going down. Now what? I don't have to chase this. I don't have to. So I'm probably not engaging in the AM session here. Gonna wait for the PM. Like yesterday. And I did trade in the Asia session last night. Somewhere. I did trade around here and here. We did have buy side liquidity up here. Wait, I did it on this account. Yeah, here. This market maker buy model here. I did trade that on the 1 second time frame. I had one short from here to here and the long from here to here. That's kind of nice, kind of nice. I'm already up for the day. So I'm not gonna chase this, right? But the Asia session thinks they are belonging to the VIP room. You can text me on Instagram in the DMs. Yeah, correct, Aaron. So if it's not gonna present me something in the AM session, we might find something in the PM. So I'm not in a hurry. I have time. Yeah, just text me on Instagram. I think that would be the best. I mean, on the 1 minute, I mean, yeah, the AM session was kind of gay. But on the 1 minute, if you only trade on the 1 minute, it probably would not give you a setup. I mean, you could have shorted this as Nasky said, but I'm not considering this as a high probability short. So I would rather wait for the 1 minute time frame setups you want, or you go to the seconds time frame and force something. But we are still in a daily range, so I'm not in a hurry to trade in either of these sides. As I said in the beginning, I'm either waiting for it to trade to the sell side and then give me a long setup into the buy sides, or I'm waiting into it trades into the buy sides and then I'm waiting for a short into the sell side. So I'm not trading inside that. And I'm approaching the AM session and the market with a plan, with the initial draw. I already had good trades in the Asia session. want to see how it behaves now in this CB here. If we can reach above that. This BC here is not enough for me. It needs to reach above this CB here. It left equal lows here. So as I said, the 1 minute BC is not enough. There's still sell side down here. It's still 80 handles. Yeah, it might form a balanced price range here with this CB. And we do have the, I think this is the current new week opening gap. Okay, I'm gonna watch, I'm gonna look at the message later. All right, so we have the balanced price range. If it reaches above that, that's a good sign for me to probably reach up into the buy side. But for me to confirm that would be once we trade above this CB, above the 956. Alright, I'm gonna look for the second time frame here now. Alright, so these sales are liquidity down here is rated. I was looking at this CB here, but I only reach into this one here. It would have been 13 to 26. So no trades today, not yet. I did not engage in this. I'm gonna wait a few more minutes here. I woke up very, very late today and I did still not eat. So yeah, for your study, I still like the buy setup here. In the regular trading hours, as you can see on the 1 hour, it's pretty much back and forth price action. So we take out highs, we take out lows, and we are inside this from yesterday. So a lot of selling volume. I'm not trading volume. So the Asia session market maker buy model in here, the smaller one on the 1 seconds. I think I did share that in the VIP room. But I'm not trading volume. Yeah, I think I'm closing it here. I will be back tomorrow in the CPI news. I think there will be a better chance. And for the PM session today, I will cover that inside the VIP room. And if I take something there, I will share it. But for the AM session, I did not engage. Totally fine. On the 1 minute, there was pretty much not too many good setups. I mean, if you call this a good setup, it's not for me, not my trading model. And I was not looking on the seconds time frame here either. And my initial approach was taking out one of the sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity pools and then trade into the opposing side. So if it reaches towards that, I am obviously taking that. But after I had my lunch, and I'm gonna share that in the VIP room. So yeah, I will be back tomorrow. Have a nice day.